Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morga English Academy. Myself Kukishmita, and today on 18th of June I am going to start mathematics for class 3. So we have finished up to my practice time 4 from lesson 2 in our previous class. So today we will start my practice time 5. Okay. So it is in the page number 25. Fill in the blanks. 314 plus dash equal 314. So to get 314 by adding any number with 314, we have to add 0. Okay, because if we add 0 with any number, so the answer should be that number. Okay, so the number is 314, and in left hand side also it is given 314. So we have to add 0. Then question number B, 1265 plus 1. So it will be 1266. Then C number 3210 plus 1002 equal dash plus 3210. So 3210 is given in both sides of the equal sign. Okay. And in left hand side given 1002. So in right hand side also we have to write 1002. So in blank we have to write 1002. Then D number is dash plus 1 is equal 1578. So we have to add 1577 with 1, then we will get 1578. 0 plus dash equal 4275. So it will be 4275 only. Then F number 1257 plus 200 is equal 200 plus dash. So which is the missing number in right hand side? The missing number is 1257, which is given in the left hand side. So in right hand side also we have to write 1257. Okay, question number 2 is your homework. Tick the correct option. Okay, you see the which one is correct. Okay, if the answer is correct, then tick. My practice time 6, no need. So now we will do my practice time 7. Okay. Question number 1 is estimate the sums to the nearest tens by first rounding of the number. So first we have to estimate the numbers to nearest 10, then we have to add. Okay. MPT 7. Already we have learned to rounding of the numbers to nearest tens, nearest hundreds. Okay. So here we have to round off the numbers to nearest 10. So 523, when we will round off to nearest 10, it will be 520. Then 154 should be 150. Okay. So now write in columns 520 plus 150. Add. Okay. So the answer is 670. Okay. Then let's do another one. B number is 516 plus 916. So nearest 10 of 516 will be 520. Okay. The nearest tens of 916 also will be 920. So now we have to add. Answer is 1440. Okay. Then question number 2 is estimate the sums to the nearest 100 by first rounding of the number. So first we have to rounding of the numbers to nearest 100, then we have to add. Okay. Sum means addition of two numbers. 2 is 624 plus 317. So nearest 100 will be 600, and nearest 100 of 317 will be 300. So 600 plus 300 will be 900. Okay, so all are same. So question number 1 and 2, the left questions are your homework. Okay, now see question number 3. Rajan sold 153 apples in the morning and 216 apples in the evening. Estimate the total number of apples that he sold by first rounding of the numbers to nearest tens. Okay, it is a word problem. So in morning Rajan sold how many apples? 153 apples. 153 apples. Okay. In morning Rajan sold 153 apples. So when we will rounding off 153 apples to nearest tens, it will be 150. Okay, in bracket you write nearest tens. Then in evening Rajan sold how many apples? 216 apples. So 216, when we will rounding off to nearest tens, it will be 220. Here again write nearest tens. Okay. So estimate the total number. Therefore total number of apples he sold, we have to add only the nearest tens number. Okay, so 150 plus 220, it will be, so the answer is 370 apples. Okay, so I will send a photo of this sum in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you can write from there. Then question number 4 is, in a school there are 1319 boys and 1283 girls. Estimate the total number of students in the school by first rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. It is also same as question number 3. Okay, first you have to round off the number of boys to nearest 100. In question number 3 we are rounding off the numbers to nearest tens, but in question number 4 we have to round off the number of boys to nearest 100. Again, the number of girls we have to round off to nearest 100. Okay, so both boys and girls number we will round off to nearest 100. Then you have to add. Okay, that means you have to find the total number of boys and girls together will be, you have to add the estimated numbers. Okay, so question number 4 is your homework. Okay, so today we have finished lesson 2. In your first term exam, from maths lesson 1 and 2 will come. So from next class we will do revision of these 2 chapters. Okay, so thank you for today.